Hello everyone, I'm Chef Gunta Sethi Bhasin and today I have something very special to share with you. As we all know, Diwali is just around the corner, and as we indulge in festivities and something sweet, I'm here to teach you how to make chocolate truffle hazelnut balls. But don't be mistaken, these just aren't any truffle balls. These are made with Calibu's finest Belgian chocolate range and Mona Lisa decorations. So let's start by first introducing you to our ingredients. So starting off, we have Calibu's 811 54.5% Belgium dark chocolate, which now comes in 500 grams packages, which makes it super convenient to use. Then we have Mona Lisa's crepe crunchies. Now these add a perfect crunchy texture to your desserts. Moving on, we have whole hazelnuts, roasted chopped hazelnuts, fresh cream, some cocoa powder to dust your hands, and some vegetable oil. So let's start by first preparing the ganache for our filling. Now I love using 811 Belgium dark chocolate from Calibu. As a brand, Calibu chocolate is very easy to work with, and the taste is rich, superior, and the experience is absolutely divine. So let's start by first preparing our ganache. I love working with Calibu chocolate because it's very easy to work with, and also it's rich, indulgent, and elevates the taste in any recipe. So to prepare the ganache, we'll first take 300 grams of chocolate in our bowl. To that we'll add fresh cream which has been brought to a simmer. Whisk it all together and let it set in the fridge for at least a couple of hours. So once our ganache is set, we'll be adding in the Mona Lisa crepe crunchies and some toasted chopped hazelnuts to it. Now I find the Mona Lisa crepe crunchies very convenient to use. They add the perfect crunchiness to your desserts. Also, they come in 500 grams resealable packages, so it makes it perfect to actually ensure that there is no wastage. Also, I do think it's very convenient for home bakers to use. So once our ganache is set, we'll be lining a tray with parchment paper. So we take a tray, we line it with parchment paper. We lightly dust our hands with cocoa powder and then make balls from our ganache. So while our chocolate truffle bars are actually resting and chilling in the refrigerator, meanwhile we'll melt our 811 Calibu dark chocolate. So for that we'll actually pour the dark chocolate into a bowl, let it melt completely in intervals of 15 seconds in the microwave, and then add some vegetable oil to it and mix it all together. Once the truffle balls have been coated in melted chocolate, we'll place them back into the refrigerator for 15 minutes to chill, and then serve them on cupcake liners. So this was an easy recipe using Calibu Belgium chocolate and Mona Lisa decorations. I hope you try this recipe and add some extra sweetness to your Diwali. Do try the recipe and use hashtag Diwali with Calibu and tag Calibu India on social media. Happy festive season to all!